Estamos bien!
I'm Profe Nano, and you're gonna be learning with me. And this is Teacher Catalina.
Today we're going to be learning Spanish, but Profe Nano, what specifically are we learning?
We are learning how to say, I like to do things, or I don't like to do things.
Good! And we already know how to say I like, me gusta, and I don't like.
No me gusta.
Good, so we're just going to kind of be adding a little bit onto that to be able to say things such as, I like to talk, or I like to dance, or I like to paint or draw or color. Those are the things we're going to be doing today. What do you think, Profe Nano?
Sí.
Perfecto. I think let's better get started.
Teacher Catalina, don't you think we need a review?
That's a great idea, Profe Nano. So let's review how to say I like and I don't like. The only thing is we're going to add a C at the front for yes, so yes I like, and a no for no I do not like. So Profe Nano, how do you say I like?
I would say, sí me gusta.
I saw that you added the C already in front of it, and that's exactly what we're doing today. Great job, Profe Nano. Sí me gusta. Sí me gusta. Very good. That would be the way that you would answer, yes, I like. Sí me gusta.
Sí me gusta.
Excellent, Profe Nano. Now, what if you don't like something? We would say, no.
No me gusta.
Very good. So did you see how we have two no's? One means no, and the other one is what makes it I don't like. So we would say, no, no me gusta.
No, no me gusta.
Good, Profe Nano. So let's try it at home. No, no me gusta. They sound fabulous, don't you think, Profe Nano?
Yup.
Very good. So now that we have that out of the way and we know how to say yes, I like, sí me gusta, and no, I don't like,
Is no, no me gusta.
then we can add all of those activities. So let's go into the brand new vocabulary. Are you excited, Profe Nano?
Sí.
Chocolates! Woohoo!
Oh my God. How do you say to play?
That's a great question, Profe Nano. I know you like to play, and I'm sure you like to play at home too. And that is the word jugar.
Jugar.
Very good, Profe Nano. Jugar. Very good. That means to play. So now, Profe Nano, what if I ask you, ¿te gusta jugar?
I would say, sí, me gusta jugar.
Very good. Did you see how Profe Nano said yes, I like, and then to play? So, sí, me gusta jugar. One more time, Profe Nano, I'm going to ask you, ¿te gusta jugar?
You and me would say yes or no. So you would say for the yes, sí, me gusta jugar.
Very good. I don't think there's anybody that doesn't like to play, right? No, probably
Nobody
not.
would not like to play.
Very good. So the answer most likely for this one would be sí, me gusta jugar. Good job, Profe Nano. Excellent.
La, 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 la.
Profe Nano, ¿te gusta cantar?
Sí, me gusta cantar.
You sound great. Cantar means to sing. Did you hear Profe Nano sing?
La, 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 la.
He sounds so good. So, if we ask Profe Nano one more time, ¿te gusta cantar? He would say,
Sí, me gusta cantar.
but if you ask me, ¿te gusta cantar? Can you ask me, Profe Nano?
¿Te gusta cantar?
I would say, no, no me gusta cantar. Can you ask me again?
¿Te gusta cantar?
No, no me gusta cantar. But you do it muy bien. Let's go back to the beautiful library we went to a couple of episodes ago. Look.
¿Te gusta leer?
Sí, me gusta leer. ¿Te gusta leer, Profe Nano?
No. no me gusta leer.
I've seen you pick up some libros, books. I think sí, me gusta leer is the right answer for you. Don't you think?
Okay, I was keeping it a secret.
¿Te gusta leer?
Sí, me gusta leer.
Very good. But you practice how to say no in case somebody wants to say no. Can we review that again? What if I said, ¿te gusta leer? And you want to say no?
You would say, no, no me gusta leer.
Very good.
Teacher Catalina, ¿te gusta bailar?
Sí, me gusta bailar. ¿Vas a bailar conmigo? You're going to dance with me? Okay. Y cantar. Bailar y...
Sí.
Cantar.
Cantar.
Muy bien. Profe Nano, ¿te gusta bailar? ¿Sí?
Sí, me gusta cantar y bailar.
Muy bien. Excelente. Bailas muy bien. Bravo.
Teacher Catalina, you know what I really like to do that I have a talent on?
What is it, Profe Nano?
I like to dibujar.
¿Dibujar?
Sí.
Oh, that's awesome. Muy bien. ¿Te gusta dibujar?
Sí, me gusta dibujar.
Perfecto. Sí, me gusta dibujar, but I'm not as good as you. Could you teach me maybe sometime?
Sí.
Perfecto. ¿Te gusta dibujar? Good! Some of you answer with sí, me gusta dibujar, and some of you answer,
No, no me gusta dibujar.
and that's okay! Muy bien! Good job practicing both ways.
Wait, I have something to draw.
What is it?
The like button.
So when Profe Nano finishes drawing the me gusta button, make sure that you click it. Very good, Profe Nano. Excelente.
Teacher Catalina, I know you like to do this one.
What is it?
You like to hablar.
Hablar? To talk? Yes, sí. Sí, me gusta hablar. Me gusta hablar muchísimo. ¿Te gusta hablar?
Sí, sí me gusta hablar.
Good. And did you notice that the H is silent? It's just there, so we write it, but we don't say it. So we say hablar. Hablar. That was a lot of activities that we learned how to say today, right, Profe Nano?
Sí.
Okay, so let's do a very quick review. So let's start with the question. The question would go, ¿te gusta? And then you're going to add the activity. ¿Te gusta hablar?
¿Te gusta cantar?
¿Te gusta bailar? ¿Te gusta dibujar? Those are all questions. So again, if you want to ask somebody if they like to do something, you start with ¿te gusta? And then your activity. Good? Muy bien.
To answer the question, you would have to say, sí, me gusta, plus the activity. And for the no question, it would be, no, no me gusta, plus the activity.
You got that, Profe Nano. Muy bien. Excelente. So now you know how to ask if somebody likes to do something. ¿Te gusta? Plus the activity. And you know how to answer yes, I like. Sí me gusta plus the activity. Or no, no me gusta plus the activity. You are going well in your Spanish journey. And that's it. It was a bit of a long lesson, but we learned so much. I'm so excited to see how much we're learning and how much you're learning at home. So if you really learned something, hit that like button. And in the meantime, Profe Nano, I will let you finish the video because I got a couple things to do. Muchas gracias. Thank you.
Adios.
Adios, Profe Nano.
Wow. All that high-fiving turned my hand into a like button. Anyway, that like button. Whoa, I have the subscribe button now. That's very important. Subscribe to our channel. So, then, if you press... Oh, wait, it's morphing.